Leah, do you take Clark here present as your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do.
Clark, you take Leah here present as your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do. Leah, ang tagal ko itong hinintay. But it was all worth the wait. It was worth every tear and every smile. It was worth every slap and every kiss. It was worth every sad and every happy memory. It was worth every time that I lost you. Just to find myself back in your arms again.
Ngayong nandito ka na. At nandito ako. Hindi ko inakala na mas magiging masaya ako ngayon kaysa sa kasal sa panaginip ko. Thank you, Clark. Because reality is finally better than my dreams.
Destiny doesn't always decide everything. It only gives us a little push in the right direction. We decide if it's worth fighting for, worth waiting for. And Leah, you are worth every fight. And you are worth every wait. My promise to you is that my love will always be greater than the time I must wait and the distance I must travel to be with you. Sa'yo lang ako.
Kahit matupad ko ang mga pangarap ko, kung hindi kita kasama, baliwala yung mga yon. Your love made me soar higher than my dreams could ever take me. Hindi kita iiwan. Dahil mahal kita. Sa'yo lang ako, Clark.
As this ring has no end, neither will my love for you.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my commitment.
Your love is my anchor. Your trust is my strength. You make me whole and make my life complete. I will give you all my love.
Hi kapamilya! Subscribe na sa ABS-CBN Entertainment YouTube channel para hindi ma-miss ang pagtatapos ng On the Wings of Love.
At para mapanood ng mga latest episodes, just click the I button